This is Math 99, final practice. And this is problem number 6. We're supposed to solve this equation and then round to 3 decimal places. So I notice I have 4 to some power, then plus 5 equals some number. So I'm going to work to get this alone, and I'll pick a way to isolate that x. So first thing I'll do is subtract 5 from both sides. So on the left, I'm left with this 4 to the power of 3x plus 2. That's equal to, subtract 5, it looks like 324. All right, so now, I have 4 to some power equals something. I have an exponent involved, exponential function. I'm not sure what to do. I'm just going to rewrite it as a log statement. So I know that log base 4 of the answer of 324 is the exponent. And I'm going to clean that up a little bit. It's just a little sloppy, my writing. It's a little bit better. And this log base 4 of 324 that's right here, that's just a number. And I know I could use change of base to figure out what it is. So since that's just a number, I'm just going to leave it alone right now. It's some number. And if I go 3 times x and add 2, I get that number. So I'm just going to solve it. I'm going to subtract 2, then divide by 3. So subtract 2 from both sides. So I end up with log base 4 of 324. That whole thing minus 2 would equal 3x. And then I'm just going to divide the whole thing by 3. Or multiply by a third. It's the same thing to get rid of that 3. So if I multiply by a third, I'm going to have 1/3 of log base 4 of 324 minus 2 equals x. So to evaluate this, this thing that's right here, I'm going to do change of base. So I know that this is the same as 1/3 of natural log, or I could use log base 10, will give me the same answer, of 324 divided by natural log of 4. That thing's going to be subtract 2, and then I'll go a third of that. So I'm going to do that on my calculator here real quick. I'm just entering it in right now. So I have 1/3, and then parentheses, natural log of 324, close the parentheses, divided by natural log of 4, close those parentheses, subtract 2, and it looks like x is about, we're supposed to go out 3 decimal places, 0.723. And what I can do to check that is I can take that value, plug it back into x here, and that should evaluate to 329.